DOMANKI Portable Air Conditioner offers powerful 14,000 BTU cooling capacity designed for rooms up to 700 square feet. I have provided the link to this portable air conditioner in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. This versatile 3-in-1 unit combines efficient cooling, fan, and dehumidifier functions to provide comprehensive climate control tailored to your comfort needs. Equipped with a high-efficiency compressor and our 32 refrigerant, the DOMANKI AC delivers strong airflow of up to 450 cubic meters per hour while maintaining impressive energy efficiency. The built-in automatic evaporation system eliminates the need for daily water draining, enhancing user convenience. The unit also features smart sensors and an intuitive digital display, controlled remotely from up to 25 feet away, making it user-friendly even for seniors or anyone unfamiliar with smart appliances. One of its standout features is the quiet sleep mode, which lowers fan speed and temperature settings based on internal sensors to ensure a peaceful environment with noise levels as low as 48 decibels. Along with this, the 24-hour programmable timer allows you to schedule operation times, helping to conserve energy while keeping your space comfortable. Designed with portability in mind, the DOMANKI air conditioner is compact and lightweight, featuring 360-degree swivel casters and a built-in handle for effortless movement between rooms. Maintenance is simple with removable and washable filters that prolong the unit's life and maintain high air quality inside your home. The package includes a complete window installation kit compatible with both vertical and horizontal sliding windows, ensuring quick and hassle-free setup. Overall, the DOMANKI 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner stands out for its combination of strong cooling performance, user-friendly smart features, energy efficiency, and quiet operation. It is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve indoor comfort without permanent installation or complicated maintenance.